The Sound Town CARPO-K8PW column speaker delivers remarkably full and even coverage thanks to its line array design with multiple mid-bass drivers and dedicated high-frequency compression drivers. Its built-in Class D amplification provides serious headroom, so music and speech stay clean and controlled even when the system is pushed hard in larger rooms. The onboard digital signal processing with selectable presets and manual equalization, bass enhancement, and delay makes it easy to tailor the sound to different venues without extra gear. Extensive connectivity, including combination microphone and line inputs, an auxiliary input, Bluetooth with true wireless stereo, and a pass-through output, lets this speaker integrate smoothly into a wide variety of setups. The birch plywood cabinet, included wall mount bracket with tilt adjustment, and standard pole mount socket give it a rugged, installation-friendly build that also works well for portable use. Its combination of focused dispersion, strong output, and flexible mounting options makes it a smart choice for spaces like churches, conference rooms, restaurants, and small performance stages.